Good morning, this is Sean from 911 Reviews, and although I've had my morning coffee already, I'm about to have some more, because today's review is coffee from Ferrufino House of Coffee. It's artisan coffee, hand-roasted in Austin, Texas in small batches for max quality and freshness. In fact, this bag was roasted less than a week ago and had to travel 800 miles to get to me. Nice. This particular variety is called Buenos Aires and is a light roast. But Ferrufino has several blends and varieties available. Also, this bag is whole beans, which we can take a closer look at.
Roll that beautiful bean footage.
If you order from their site, you can also choose whole bean or pre-ground. I'd recommend whole bean if you have access to a grinder. This will give you maximum flavor and aroma. And also, if you use or are interested in getting a French press, go with the whole beans, because you're going to want to grind it on a more coarse setting. Gonna start with the smell test. Thanks, Kelly. Unfortunately, I can't transmit aromas over YouTube, but there's nothing like fresh roasted coffee beans. Oh man, I just want to live in there. Alright, let's get this brewing. I broke my French press, so we're gonna have to go with a regular brew. I'd like to think I have a mug for every occasion, and although I don't have one from Austin, I do have one from Blue Rock in Wimberley, which is really close by Texas standards. And it's similar to Austin in that they're both hubs for music, art, and artisan stuff like this coffee. Alright, coffee's done. I'm not gonna judge if you like to put stuff in your coffee, but if you're getting gourmet coffee, at least taste it before you add anything. There's a lot going on in there. Okay. I get those malty, toasty notes it refers to on the bag. And it's smooth too. If you subscribe to the channel, you've probably heard me use the phrase attention to detail. Well, in this case, it's right on the bag. Very detailed flavor, which comes from a very detailed process. So check out the links below for more info and get yourself some seriously tasty coffee. Thanks for watching.